Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you're trying to create Apple ID or your account for your iPhone or your other Apple device but you're facing this issue, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings in your device, and now you have to scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this, and after this go back, and now you have to simply open your Safari browser and search here for Apple ID. So guys, search here for Apple ID login, and after this go to appleid.apple.com and open this website. So guys, wait here for some seconds. So guys, here you have to simply tap on this small arrow button, as you can see this, and from here you can see create your Apple account. So guys, simply tap on this, and now you have to simply try creating Apple ID for your device from this website. So guys, here you can see this, you have to simply give her all your information, and after this try to create your Apple ID using this website. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply go back, and now you have to open settings in your device and then tap on general, and then you have to scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time, and then tap on language and region and select your country or region correctly. Then go back and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN, and now tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.